Hey guys, namaste. My name is Sunny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you know from thumbnail of this video, I made a diorama of a lotus pond and I made this project with very few elements, still managed to make it beautiful. I think this is one of my best work. Well, I say that about all of my projects, but still it's beautiful. I hope you enjoy this project and now let's create.
First, I'll work with the glass sheet. I'll make it as a base for my diorama, under which a light source will go. So I have taped all the edges of this glass sheet just to make it safe for me to work with it. And now I'll color on this glass sheet. The paint that I'm using are some acrylic colors, blue, purple and silver. And I'm also using some glass paint. The glass paint that I have, they are in paste form. It will help me give it some texture. I'm making a base frame of this diorama out of cardboards. I have a cardboard sheet that is the base, then thin strips of cardboard sheet that runs on the edges to create a frame. And I want this glass sheet to fit perfectly onto this frame. For that, the first strip of cardboard, the inner one, is a bit lower than the ones on the edges, so that my glass sheet can fit perfectly onto this frame and doesn't slide off. Now my frame is ready. I have to cover it with something. I have to make it look good. For that, I made a template, custom one, out of thick paper sheet. This fits perfectly onto my frame and supports the glass sheet as well. Next, I have to fold edges of this template and convert it into the cover and glue it onto the frame. By the time I made frame, my glass paint is completely dried and I'm ready to paint some acrylic colors on it. Just to make sure this entire thing doesn't get messy, I will glue all elements of this diorama on the other side of the glass sheet where there is no paint. To complete this base of diorama, I have to add LED light strip in it. I used white color and I glued that inside the frame with plug poking out on one end. And now I'll show you how this glass fits onto this base and how it looks once we switch on the lights. Finally, for the fun part, we are making elements for this diorama. First, I'm using this tiger figurine that I have. It's made out of plastic, so I have to slice it from right about here, maybe a bit lower, but yeah, somewhere around here. I will also slice a piece of a tail, the one that is poking out of the water. So I did slice this tiger figurine into the piece that I want, and now I'm going to glue this onto my frame with hot glue gun. Time to add next element. I have 5 rocks over here. I will glue them with hot glue gun onto our frame. Next element is this lotus that I made paper cutouts. The shape of each petal is of a drop, water drop. I glued them in a sequence on a wooden dowel and I made this lotus. I made 7 such lotus out of paper, and now let's add them to our diorama. I used hot glue for this one as well. I'm so glad I made this diorama. It looks pretty good with just 3 elements on it. It's time to add 3 more. Now let's talk about the rest of the elements for this diorama. First, the lotus leaves. Pretty simple, a round cutout out of green paper. Then I twisted edges of this round cutout with tweezers to form these leaves. I have 3 different colors, 4 different sizes of these. I made lotus. It's a teardrop shape cut out of colored paper glued onto the wooden dowel. Next, dragonflies. Pretty simple to make. I took a bead some hot glue, some paper. I added a drop of hot glue on one end of a beam, stretched that drop to form the shape, and added paper wings to complete the dragonfly. And I made origami butterfly, really tiny one, and these are our elements. It's time to add some leaves. I started with the larger one first, and then the smaller ones. I used PVA glue to glue all of the leaves. And to complete this diorama, I added a tiny paper star right in front of leopard. I glued dragonflies and butterflies in end.
So viewers, I hope you enjoyed my today's project, and before I leave you guys, I would like to thank all of you for your time, and I appreciate your love and support. Do take care. Peace. Bye.